Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Educare. In this lecture, we will discuss about results on operations of sets. So one by one, we will discuss some important results. So coming to first theorem, if A and B are two sets, then difference of set A and B, that is A minus B, will be equal to A intersection B complement. Okay, so A minus B is difference between elements of set A, and common elements of set A and B we will remove from set A. So we will take this through Venn diagram. So if you see this figure, this green shaded portion, that is set A elements minus this A intersection B elements. Okay, this green portion will give A minus B. If we see RHS, it is intersection between shade A and complement of shade B. So coming to complement of shade B, so all the elements, that is U minus P, all the elements of universal shade except those which are part of shade P. So it will lie outside this shade B, and if we take intersection with shade A, we will get this green shaded portion. Okay, so this is A intersection B complement. So these two are same, so we can say A minus B will be equal to A intersection B complement. Next theorem is B minus A equal to B intersection A complement. Like the first part, we can verify this also. Next one is if A minus B is equal to set A. See, A minus B is difference between set A elements and intersection between set A and B. Okay, that is we have to remove common elements of set A and B from set A. So if A minus B equal to A means A and B don't have any common elements. Okay, so we can say that A intersection B will be equal to phi. And if on vice versa it is given that A intersection B equal to phi, that phi is an empty set. So if A intersection B equal to phi, then we can say A minus B will be equal to A. Coming to next result, A minus B union B will be equal to A union B. So we will see through Venn diagram. So this green shaded portion is your A minus B. If we take union with set B, then we will get this full two circle. Okay. So we can say A minus B union B will be equal to A union B. Okay. We have to add this portion. A minus B is this green shaded area plus this, when we add we will get A union B. Okay. Coming to next result, A minus B intersection B equal to phi. As we know, A minus B is all set A elements except those which elements are also present in set B. Okay. So if we take intersection with set B, then it will be equal to empty set. Okay, because already we have removed the B elements. So if we take intersection, it will give no elements. Okay. Next important result, if A is a subset of B, then we can say complement of set B will be subset of complement of set A. Or if it is given B complement is a subset of A complement, then we can say that A will be a subset of B set. Okay. Next result is A minus B union B minus A will be equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So we will try to verify this using Venn diagram. So coming to LHS, this green shaded area is A minus B and this blue shaded area is B minus A. Okay. So union will give this whole shaded area only. Okay. So this is our LHS. Shaded area gives LHS. Coming to RHS, A union B means this whole two circles. Okay. And if we remove A intersection B, that is this common portion, then we will get this shaded portion only. Okay. So both will be same LHS and RHS. Next theorem is if A, B and C are three sets, then A minus B intersection C will be equal to A minus B union A minus C. So this result we will try to verify using Venn diagram. So if you see this, first we will see LHS. So here A, B and C are three sets and U is the universal set. Okay, this blue shaded portion, this dark blue shaded portion is nothing but B intersection C. And if we remove B intersection C from A, okay, then we will get this green shaded portion which is A minus B intersection C. Is this green shaded portion. Now coming to RHS, it has two portions, that is A minus B and A minus C. Then we have to take union of these two. So first we will see A minus B. So A minus B is this one, this diagram, okay. Similarly, this is A minus C, okay. And if we take union of these two, we will get this portion, okay, which is same as LHS diagram, okay. This and this are same. Coming to next result, A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. You can verify again using Venn diagram. Next result is A intersection B minus C is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Okay, this this can be proved using distributive law. Okay. Next important result is A intersection B delta C. What is delta? Delta means symmetric difference of two sets B and C. Okay. This delta is B minus C union C minus B. Okay. So A intersection B delta C equal to A intersection B delta A intersection C. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed about results on operation of sets. Okay. Thank you.